Can I explain that real quick?
Oh!
Damn! Motherfucker started out first, too.
On Christmas morning, the overnight drum had me yawning. On Christmas morning, the overnight drum had me yawning. I met a bamboo band on the street, but the rhythm was hot and sweet, they were shouting.
Take a stick and you knock down your brother.
Take a stick and you knock down your brother, and you take the stick and you knock down your father.
Take a stick and you knock down your brother.
I can remember that 25th of December, on the old man's birthday, everyone were merry and gay. Women with their dresses so tight, shaking and hitting, now black is white and they shouting. Why you take this stick and you knock down your brother, then you take this stick and you knock down your father. Fellows dressed in short pants, while the women showed the bamboo dance. I admired Gwendolyn, how she was wagging, she just spin. I had to fall when you're edging me teeth, rolling that thing all over the street and they shouting. Wapimpi, 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 wampam. She said begin a ramas, help entertain for the Christmas. She said I drink me cockapoo, now I am cooler than you. She said boy if you love the tone, join in the band and shake up your bone and they shouting. Oh you take this stick and you knock down your brother, then you take this stick and you lift down your father. When they got by the rosary, a priest went on so fiery. When he saw the behavior, he got the rhythm in the shoulder. And he watched the girls to the rear, how they were wishing Happy New Year and they shouting.